Yeah, it looks like that trail might be a little better maintained.
Maybe.
Coming up.
Explorando. Vamos a morir. We're gonna die. What do you say?
At this point, it's a deer trail.
Explorándola. Exploring. Explorando.
Going up, or is it going that way? Which one? What is happening?
It's a great challenge for a pregnant woman. You can do it, Grace.
Grace, you can.
What happened to the baby? I'm blaming all of you. Subiendo, subiendo.
Pretty sure you're just helping the baby.
Oh.
You're getting the baby climatized to when it's out of your belly.
Right.
Al principio no me gustaba hike y ahora ya me estoy acostumbrando con estos chicos. We're getting the wide different path, different trail. Where's the sun?
I don't mind that the sun's not out because we're just gonna burn.
I want to be out. Want to get tan
Yeah, you'll burn.
and then tan. Estamos locos. Eso es verdad. Tengo miedo a las alturas y esto no es bueno para mí. Escalar. Again, esto no es una caminata, es escalar. This is not a hike, this is a climbing thing.
Looks like there's an alternate trail to go up the line.
That's true. Call my mom, Jason, tell her that I love her.
Yeah, right. Your mom's just gonna blame me.
That's true.
Serious.
Well, it is your fault.
My mom was super mad at him the first time they hike.
Well, it is your
Why
fault.
are you trying to kill my son?
Throwing up. ¿Estás cansado?
No, but still casado.
That's true. Still casado.
Look, I can kill you guys with this. I didn't even need to bring a knife.
Oh, that's true. This is Sharpie. I want to see if this can cut your throat.
Oh,
Let's check.
Good luck.
Explorando, explorando. Ah! Shut up.
Explorando,
Oh. Ah!
Cayendo.
Cayendo, muriendo, dying and dying. Ah! Mwah! OMG, Jason.
Please be safe.
Sounds good.
Jason almost died. Casi muere.
Killed the guy down on the shoreline trail, but
Well, you know, sacrifice.
Okay, this is the place.
Over here.
So we have done this just for listen conference, guys. Listen conference in the mountains. Normally we listen conference while we are hiking, but this time we're gonna just sit down, right? You don't know me, I'm Robert. That is Daniel. That is Grace. And this thing is Jason. He doesn't like to be in camera. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun time because we don't have food here. Do you guys bring food? Fruit?
I'm done with this book.
Okay.
Oh no!
Do you bring something? So this is a tradition that we do every conference. The last 2 years, I think, right? Last 2 years we were doing a hike where we and listen conference at the same time. So this is a nice tradition. But today we have another how do you say, individual that is inside over there.
Just the 5 of us.
Just the 5 of us.
Just the 5 of us. What is it? Gum? I want gum. Go get it. I'm not a dog, okay?
Do you want to come, Jason?
No. She's disgusting.
I was in a good spot. I can't find it.
I'm good right now.
My ankles are gonna sunburn.
Just there's a lot of.
Shadow.
It's too hot.
We could have talked about the Asian president. Or the guy who was the president. I don't know his name.
It's too hot.
But thinking about the guy's name.
Yeah, I don't
It's too hot. It's too hot.
I'm sure the internet.
I'm sure that
I'm sure it's
we'll
a
be
meme.
all over it in just a couple of hours.
Minutes.
Probably already there.
It's probably hashtagged an ODS clone.
Super sunny day.
Man, that one tree is better than these trees. These don't even have any
That one tree is
foliage.
It's
better
super
than
hot
no
right now.
trees.
I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna probably move out. Okay, guys. We're gonna jump because we don't wanna go all the way down over there. So we're gonna jump and just in 1 second we're gonna be down.
1
1,
second.
2, 3. Oh, we're here. See? From
Come
there
on, for it,
to here. It was fast. 1 second. It's nice. They took so long. We were waiting for them for a long time.
Bless you.
This is the video for today. We listen conference. We hike to the top of those rocks. Yep. And see you guys in another video. I hope you enjoy it. And yep, that's how I do here in Utah. Bye. Say bye. You are terrible.